Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll explain how to do a clean reinstall of Windows 10 in an easy and beginner-friendly way. This method is useful if your system has serious problems or you want a completely fresh Windows setup. Step 1. Click the Windows Start button on the taskbar. This opens the main menu where you can access system tools and settings on your computer. Step 2. Click on Settings. This is the control center for Windows where you manage updates, security, and recovery options. Step 3. Select Update and Security from the left panel. This section is important because it contains reset and recovery features for Windows 10. Step 4. Scroll down and click on Recovery. This option allows you to reset your PC or reinstall Windows when troubleshooting major issues. Step 5. Under Recovery Options, click Get Started. This begins the reset process and lets Windows guide you through reinstall choices. Step 6. Choose Remove Everything. This option deletes personal files, apps, and settings, which is necessary for a clean reinstall. Step 7. Choose Local Reinstall or Cloud Download. Local Reinstall uses existing system files, while Cloud Download gets a fresh copy from Microsoft. Step 8. Click Next. This confirms your selected options and moves you to the final preparation screen. Step 9. Review the reset details carefully. This step is important so you know exactly what will be removed during the reinstall. Step 10. Click Reset. Windows will now start reinstalling and your PC will restart multiple times until the process is finished. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows troubleshooting guides.